Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. Investment managers eye extraordinary upside from BTC options debut. Next, Ethereum gains 15% in a week. Is a recovery to $3,000 back in sight? Also, crypto native travel agency launches Solana-based tokens and rewards. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles, and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline: investment managers eye extraordinary upside from BTC options debut. They could potentially spark an explosive recursive price upside for Bitcoin, according to one investment manager. Investment managers expect the United States debut of options on spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds to accelerate institutional adoption and potentially unlock extraordinary upside for spot BTC holders. On September 20th, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission green-lighted Nasdaq's Electronic Securities Exchange to list options on BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF, or IBIT. It marked the first time the regulator approved options tied to spot BTC for U.S. trading. Listing spot BTC options on regulated U.S. exchanges, where the Options Clearing Corporation, or OCC, safeguards traders against counterparty risk, marks a monumental advancement in cryptocurrency markets and creates extremely compelling opportunities for investors, Jeff Park, Bitwise Invest's head of Alpha Strategies, said in a September 20th X post. For the first time, Bitcoin will have a regulated market where the OCC protects clearing members from counterparty risks, Park said. This means Bitcoin's synthetic notional exposure can grow exponentially without the default risks that have kept investors at bay. Options are contracts granting the right to buy or sell, call or put in trader parlance, an underlying asset at a certain price. In the U.S., if one party fails to uphold the agreement, the OCC intervenes and settles the trade. Spot BTC options unlock an array of capital-efficient portfolio strategies for investors and could potentially catalyze explosively recursive price upside for supply-constrained spot BTC, Park said. Meanwhile, the introduction of institutional hedging and markets through options devices fundamentally dampens volatility for the underlying asset in aggregate over time, Tom Dunleavy, a managing partner at crypto investment firm MV Global, told Cointelegraph. To commence trading, Nasdaq still needs sign-off from two other oversight bodies, the Commodities Futures Trading Commission, or CFTC, and the Options Clearing Corporation, or OCC. Analysts expect those approvals imminently, followed by a proliferation of similar products on other exchanges. I'm assuming others will be approved in short order, Eric Balchanis, an ETF analyst at Bloomberg Intelligence, said in a September 20th X post. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline: Ethereum gains 15% in a week. Is a recovery to $3,000 back in sight? Ethereum shows strength in its USD and BTC pair as network activity surges. Is a move to $3,000 realistic? Ether rallied 18.7% between September 17th and September 23rd, pushing past Bitcoin in terms of weekly gains as an increase in open interest funding rates and network growth signal strong demand for ETH. Ether's price is up 4% over the last 24 hours to trade at $2,650, according to data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView. In comparison, Bitcoin is trading at $63,678, up 1.8% over the last 24 hours. The total crypto market capitalization has risen by 2% over the same period to $2.3 trillion. ETH strengthens against Bitcoin. Ether has increased 17.5% over the last 7 days, outperforming Bitcoin, whose price has risen only 9.8% over the same period. The ETH to BTC ratio is also up approximately 7.5% over the last 7 days, reaching a 3-week high of 0.0424 on September 23rd. The reversal in the ETH to BTC ratio indicates increasing demand for Ether. Data from Farsight Investors shows that flows into US-based spot Ethereum ETFs turned positive last week, seeing minor inflows of $5.2 million and $2.9 million on September 19th and September 20th, respectively. However, flows into Ethereum investment products still lag behind Bitcoin's, with Ether seeing outflows for the 5th consecutive week, totaling $29 million between September 16th and September 20th, according to CoinShares. CoinShares head of research James Butterfill noted this is due to persistent outflows from the incumbent Grayscale Trust and scant inflows from the newly issued ETFs. Ether's outperformance is also evidenced by decreasing BTC market dominance. The chart below shows that Bitcoin's dominance has dropped from a high of 58.7% on September 19th to 57.4% on September 23rd. This indicates that the top cryptocurrency is weakening against altcoins, including Ether. With Bitcoin dominance steadily dropping, market participants expect ETH's value against its BTC pair to continue rising, suggesting that investors feel more bullish about Ether and could possibly allocate more money to Ethereum investment products. Data from CoinGlass reveals that the 8-hour Ether open interest weighted funding rate has flipped positive since September 16th, currently standing at 0.0072%. A positive funding rate for Ether reflects increased demand for leveraged long positions, signaling a bullish outlook. Ethereum network activity signals higher demand for ETH. Analyzing Ethereum's network activity and its scaling solutions is critical to understanding what it takes to hold the $2,600 support. Decentralized applications, or dApps, are at the core of this Layer 1 blockchain, and increasing use in terms of transactions is indicative of higher demand for ETH. According to dApp Radar data, over the last 24 hours, the top Ethereum dApps have seen an average 1.42% decrease in the number of unique active wallets and a 21.92% gain in volume. Moreover, the number of dApp transactions on the Ethereum network has increased by 6.5% over the same period, fueled by increases in Uniswap, Balancer, Paraswap, and Aave. Additional data from DeFi Llama reveals an uptick in the total value locked, or TVL, on Ethereum, which has increased from $44.1 billion to $49.65 billion between September 18th and September 23rd. Increasing TVL signals increasing user interaction with the blockchain, leading to higher demand for Ether. Sustained network growth, an increase in Ether transactions, and dApp usage are essential for holding ETH above $2,600. Our next top headline: crypto-native travel agency launches Solana-based tokens and rewards. Travala has integrated the Solana blockchain for seamless crypto payments, allowing hotel and flight bookings via Sol, USDT, and USDC. Travala, a cryptocurrency-based online travel ticketing service, has expanded its crypto payment options to support major tokens running on the Solana blockchain. On September 21st, Travala CEO Juan Otero announced an integration with Solana, a Layer 1 blockchain ecosystem, during the Solana Breakpoint conference in Singapore. The partnership allows travelers to book hotels and flights using Solana's native token, Solana, or SOL, as well as major stablecoins, USDT and USDC, on the Solana blockchain. The Solana blockchain is a direct competitor of Ethereum and focuses on faster and cheaper execution of smart contracts and decentralized applications, or dApps. Travala enables direct SOL deposit and withdrawals. While Travala has a history of accepting payments in Bitcoin and numerous other cryptocurrencies, including Ether, the Solana integration allows users to deposit and withdraw the supported tokens directly on Travala accounts with zero-fee transactions on travel bookings. Crypto investors and enthusiasts on X rejoiced in the collaboration, hoping for a seamless travel booking experience. Travala will also introduce SOL travel rewards in the near future. Solana attracts Coinbase's wrapped Bitcoin offering. Crypto exchange Coinbase is also betting on the Solana blockchain as it revealed plans to introduce Coinbase's new CBDC, a wrapped Bitcoin asset, to the Solana network. While no exact date was announced for its launch, Coinbase's country director for Singapore, Hassan Ahmad, said, "We recently launched CBDC on Base, but our users love Solana and so do we. So we are very excited to announce that we will be bringing native CBDC to Solana as well." Wrapped Bitcoin products allow users to retain asset control while using Bitcoin as collateral for decentralized finance applications. Solana's wrapped Bitcoin asset, CBDC, was initially launched on the Ethereum and Base networks. Coinbase explained that CBDC is backed at a 1-to-1 ratio with Bitcoin held by the centralized exchange, and there are no separate order books or trading pairs for CBDC on the Coinbase platform. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.